up everyone? So we've just arrived in Corong. Looks absolutely beautiful today. I think it's probably the nicest we've ever seen it. And we've come here because we're going to be doing some kayaking again. Probably for the last time to Papaya Beach, which is our favorite beach here in El Nido. It's the one that we like the most so far. Got all the locals hanging out here. Hello. Hello. Didn't even hear me. The locals love their beach picnics, right?
Yeah, they come to have lunch.
Always big groups, big families.
Enjoying the amazing view.
Yeah. So I think it was this place, right?
Yeah.
Wonder if anybody's home. This was the kayak here. Let's see. Hello. Your father here?
Kayak.
For the kayak?
Rolling ko lang si Papa.
Yeah, Papa. He's getting Papa. Yeah. So yeah, we always got it from this local family here. What's your name?
Gretchen.
What?
Gretchen.
Say it again?
Gretchen.
Gretchen. I probably said that wrong. What about you? What's your name?
Liz.
What?
Liz.
Led. I can't say their names. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. See you later. Thank you. They had some hard names.
Yeah.
Must be like native, right? Usually the names are quite simple.
It's not like westernized.
Yeah, not a Western name. Alright, so we got this for 300 and we can use it for about 5 hours, so always a good price.
Japan.
So we got some other people here doing the kayak. They had the same idea. And this is Lapus Beach. So we went to this place in our first video. Not gonna go there today, we're just having a break. We're gonna be going around that cliff over there. Amazing turquoise water here though. It's a lot harder today, right, Carol?
Yeah, because I don't know, the tide is different from the other day, so the ocean is very strong.
Just loads of waves. It's pretty much just pushing us back, so it's kind of hard to go out that way. Yeah, we haven't kayaked in wavy conditions like this yet, I don't think. So we came from back there through that little tunnel. Yeah, I never get enough of these huge cliffs. Amazing.
This water.
Yeah, in this water. And this is the awesome entrance to Papaya Beach. Amazing landscape. So yeah, it's this beach right here. This is just green overload right here. I think it's greener than even when we came last time, right?
Yeah, maybe because of the rain.
Yeah, the rain season.
We made it.
Yeah. Much needed water. Yeah, definitely need this after all that kayaking. But yeah, this is why this is our favorite beach. Literally dreamy colored water, look at that. Super clear and transparent. Oh, we've actually come to a different part. Last time we were on that side here. So yeah, there's this kind of division and we're just on this little beach here. But yeah, I just love it, look at that. Huge thick jungle everywhere. There you go, this property is not for sale. So nobody's buying this place. What do you think, Carol? One of the best beaches we've ever been to?
Yeah, that's why we came back, because it's just, I don't know, like, I simply love this place and you love it too. It's like, yeah, very beautiful. Maybe top 5. It's in
yeah, I think this is a top 5 of ours. And we need to do that video, right? Top 5 or top 10 beaches in the world that we've been to.
Yeah, I think people would like to see what we like, or our favorite beaches.
Yeah. Yeah, so this is already a spoiler because this beach is going to be in the list. Here we've got a starfish. Man, I forgot how nice the water was here, the color.
Yeah, everything's so nice and we are so lucky to be here.
Yeah, definitely. Especially during this period.
Yeah.
Got some more people in kayaks over here as well. One guy was actually doing stand-up paddle boarding, so yeah, that's pretty hardcore to do stand-up paddle all the way back to the shore. Must take ages. Yeah, it's weird. So we've been here twice before, but I don't know, just being here again, it seems to be nicer than I remembered. We've been to a lot of other nice beaches around here. We even went to that island the other day, right? The Pinagbuyatan. You can see it all the way over there, but I think this is a lot nicer, yeah.
Yeah, I agree. I don't know why, I just prefer this one.
Yeah, I just prefer it as well. They're all amazing though. It took a while for the beach dog to appear on this beach. How are you doing? You look scruffy. They always want the belly rub. Yeah, so a lot of these dogs that you see in the videos, they're not actually stray dogs. So there is an owner on this island over there somewhere. And yeah, these are probably his dogs. It's not that skinny either. A lot of the ones we actually see do have owners. Even though we go to deserted beaches, there is usually like a hut or something where an owner lives, and yeah, the dogs are theirs. What are you looking for?
The goggles.
Oh, to do some snorkeling.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's another thing we didn't mention. So here has some awesome corals a bit out there where you can see it get darker. So yeah, I'll show you that now. just gonna head to the other side of the beach now, because that's where we were last time and the views were a lot better from that side of this like wall here. So there seems to be two pathways. There's one up there in the jungle, I think, and then this one here.
The dog is following now.
The dog, yeah. He wants some food. Pretty cool.
Yeah, you can see the roots.
Oh yeah, the roots
The
of
roots
the...
of the tree up there.
Yeah, so this is what I was talking about. On this side, you get a way better view. That whole cliff. Can't really see it that well from there up close. And from this side, you can even see Vanilla Beach now. So yeah, just one of the best views around here.
How many, sir?
Two?
Two?
It's 60 pesos.
Yeah.
Okay. You live here?
Yeah.
Your family?
Yeah.
How many people?
4.
4 people.
Mm.
Nice place. Paradise. So that was a nice surprise. We didn't know we'd be getting some fresh coconuts here. Plus he brought a leaf.
Yeah, as a gift.
A gift. He wants to trade. I'll trade my leaf for some bananas. He doesn't want to give it though.
No.
Hey, what kind of gift is this? He's like, get off. So that guy told me 4 people live here.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
So they take care of the dogs. Like.
Yeah, this is the dog, and I don't know what else they do here. Yeah, he said no straw, so give it a go. Good?
Yeah.
Bit warm?
Right. Yeah, just natural.
Natural temperature. Alright, my turn. Yeah, it is good. Nice and sweet. Temperature's okay as well. Wasn't in like the cooler or anything, but yeah, it was in the shade, so good temperature. Full of liquid as well. Some coconuts sometimes don't have that much liquid inside.
No.
Yeah. But this one is right to the top.
Cheers.
Cheers. Coconut cheers. So we're gonna be heading out now. The clouds have come, so I think that's our cue to leave. And unfortunately, I think this might be the last time that we're gonna see a place like this in Southeast Asia for quite a long time because of COVID, obviously. We're gonna be heading to Portugal soon, and I'm pretty sure by the looks of things we won't be able to come back for quite some time. Not this year anyway, so it's almost at the end of the year anyway, I guess. So yeah, I don't know when I'll be able to see something this beautiful again like this. Our favorite kind of scenery, but yeah, we'll just have to see. Kind of sad, but we've had this kind of scenery to ourselves for so long, so yeah, just been extremely lucky. Can't complain. Check this part out here. So it's not as wavy now, so we can go closer to the rocks, kind of like a cave underneath. and it's dripping loads. Hasn't even been raining, but that's just, I guess, like moisture going through the rock. And this is the awesome tunnel that we go through every time we come to these beaches. So now that it's low tide, you can actually see underneath it. I mean, look at the size of that rock and look at the tiny little base keeping it upright. I bet there's some bats in here or something. That looks crazy. Nice move, Carol. Yeah, so just a really awesome place to kayak, not just for the beaches. The whole, like, pretty much trip to there is just amazing. You got this, and yeah, the whole thing is just like this, so definitely do this if you're here. You might need a bit of fitness though.
And no knickknacks.
Yeah, no knickknacks, even better. So I just wanted to give you guys a quick update about the donations that went towards the communal pot. If some of you are new here, basically there was a project here in El Nido because there's no tourism right now that was helping feed the families that have been affected by the lack of tourism. So a lot of the locals here, they can't pay their electricity bills, they don't have money properly to feed their families. So there's a place called La Plage here, a restaurant that had created this project, and they were feeding these families from donations of the people. And twice we had made videos, and we just did the second video, and once again you guys donated $5,000, pretty much the exact same amount as you donated from the first video. So that's 10,000 overall, and I think from the first time it was about 6,000 meals, so $5,000 was about 6,000 meals. So once again it's another 6,000 meals, which is about a month extra of food for the project, and that's feeding around 250 to 350 people a day, even multiple meals each person. So yeah, I just wanted to give you guys an update just to show that it was successful once again. And I will put the link below this video in case anyone still wants to donate, because yeah, they do still need money. I think they've got money for a few weeks more, but we do just want to keep on extending it because obviously there's not going to be still tourism anytime soon. You guys donate so much, $10,000 overall. That's a lot of money here in the Philippines. A lot of money anyway. So yeah, I just wanted to say this big thank you, and we're really grateful, and you're helping the families so much here.